Have you ever wondered how an MRI machine works? MRI stands for Magnetic Resonance Imaging and was invented by Dr. Raymond Damadian. The first MRI was done in 1977. We've all heard about MRI, but most of us do not understand what an MRI machine is or how it works. There are essentially four parts to an MRI machine: the magnets, the antenna, the computer, and the software. The first part is the magnets. The magnets are arranged in such a way as to affect which way a compass would point if it were inside the MRI machine. And because water makes up about 70% of the human body, and our water molecules have 2 hydrogen atoms, magnetism affects all our water molecules and causes them to line up in one direction. The MRI magnets are set to direct our water molecules like a needle in a compass. The magnets can then be switched on and off to change the direction of the magnetic field. This causes the water molecules in our bodies to rotate or spin in a new direction. We can't feel it, and it doesn't affect us in any way. And whenever water molecules spin around, they give off a slight pulse of energy in the form of a radio wave. So by manipulating the magnets, we can manipulate the water molecules to spin in different directions. The antenna, which is the second major part of an MRI machine, is designed to detect the minuscule amounts of radio signals that are given off when our water molecules spin. The third major part of the MRI machine is a computer. A very fast and powerful computer collects all of the data picked up by the antenna and stores the data inside the computer. And lastly, the fourth major component of an MRI machine is the software that the computer uses to make pictures out of the radio signals. The software takes all the data that was collected by the antenna and organizes the data in such a way so that it creates a picture of the human body. It organizes the pictures into flat images that look like slices of bread. They can slice a person in many directions and create very nice images of what our bodies look like inside without exposing us to harmful radiation. I thank you for watching my video, and I hope you find this information helpful in explaining how an MRI machine works. Watch part 2, in which I explain the differences between an upright MRI and a recumbent MRI. And if you have any questions or would like more information, please call me, Matt Powell, at 813-222-2222.